Welcome to the ACS Clinical Congress 2020 Interactive Program Planner. Use this tool to dynamically search the educational program for the conference. From the planner's homepage, you can browse content by day, session type, and track. You can also browse sessions that fulfill state regulatory mandates and ACS accreditation and verification program requirements. Use the search box to type keywords or presenter names. The tool will make suggestions as you type. Or you can use the presenter filter for a quick search by presenter name. In the search results, you can get a quick overview of available CME, regulatory mandate type, and ACS accreditation and verification content. Use the filters on the left to further narrow your selections. You can add to my playlist from the search results. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to log in. At which point you will then be able to add to your playlist or learn more about a session by clicking on the session title. On the session detail page, you can read about the session, learn about the presenters, see available CME, and add presentations or the entire session to my playlist. Everything you save to my playlist will be available on the main Clinical Congress website on October 3rd. Please note, if you'd like to return to the full session listing from a presentation detail page, use your browser's back button or back function using your right mouse click. Clicking on the search results back arrow button will return you to the full results of your initial query. To clear your search and start again fresh, click on Reset Search Filters. To return to the Interactive Program Planner homepage at any time, you can click on the top banner or on the Planner Home link in the top navigation. Note, if you do click on the top banner, this will open in a second browser tab, which can be useful if you'd like to keep the information that you were looking at available and conduct a new search for additional information. If you haven't registered yet for Clinical Congress 2020, click on the Register Here link. After you register, you can return to the Interactive Program Planner to finish building out your playlist.